If you're starting to notice fine lines, dullness, or that skin that just doesn't bounce back the way it used to, Tiege Hanley's anti-aging super serum is the upgrade your routine needs. This lightweight, fast-absorbing serum is engineered specifically for men's skin. No fluff, no complicated steps, just real results. Inside this small bottle is a powerhouse of blends of peptides, retinol, and sodium hyaluronate. Peptides help firm and strengthen the skin, giving it a tighter, more youthful look. You also get a gentle form of retinol, which works to smooth fine lines and improve texture over time. And the hyaluronate pulls moisture deep into the skin, keeping it hydrated, plump, and healthier looking all day. It's designed to fit seamlessly into any routine, morning, night, or both. To start, make sure your face is clean and dry. Gently push the pump of the bottle to expel some serum onto your fingers. Briefly rub your hands together to spread it out, then use both hands to gently apply the serum all over your face. If you want a simple, effective way to fight signs of aging without overthinking your skincare routine, Tiege Hanley's Super Serum delivers exactly what men need to look sharp and feel confident. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.